to you. If you get in the water, you can get in however
Okay.
you want. Get in however you want.
First swim of 2013. Let's go.
You can jump or you can go down the ladder. It's fine. You can go down the ladder.
Hey, can you guys say hi to Grandpa and Grandma?
Hi.
Say, okay. Callie. Okay, let's go. You guys remember, it's going to be cold when you first get in, but it's going to warm up.
Okay. Get in.
Oh, I haven't jumped in.
Yeah!
Go, Andrew, go. Get in.
Awesome!
It's okay, Evan. It's okay.
Yeah!
Good job, Evan. Evan went in. All right, Kelly, you
Okay,
go down the
Andrew,
ladder.
your turn.
Andrew, it's your turn. We want to show it. Go. You can go down the ladder. It's fine. Go down the ladder.
Yeah!
Go down the ladder if you want to. Just go.
Come on, Andrew, let's go!
Okay, you gonna go behind Andrew on the ladder? Okay, take your and walk very carefully. Sanford's just excited for you. It's okay. He's just excited. Let me walk with you. Good. He wants to get in the water too.
I'm trying to get in the water.
Okay, go. Jump in there. Is it cold or something? Go, dude. Get out of his way. Go ahead, just jump in. No, good job, Andrew.
Oh. Okay. Sanford.
A little bit. There you go.
Here,
Yeah,
hold on.
Sanford's very excited.
Andrew, come over here.
Sanford.
Oh, silly Sanford.
You can go up the ladder, honey.
Yeah!
The boys are in. Ah! The boys are in.
What's this thing? Go get some, no, Sanford. Sanford. Food. Treat. Let's go.
Take treat. Do I go treat?
No, you can't choose. No, Sanford,
There
no.
we go.
Sanford, go get it. Go, Sanford, go. Go, Sanford, go. Go.
Okay, Kelly. Take your shoes off. Go in.
Ooh, is it fun, Andrew? Yeah!
No! Get your shoes off. They're in.
Where are you going?
Go in. Take your shoes off. Go in. It's gonna be cold. Remember the Hamby's pool, but then once you get in, it'll be fine.
It's not cold right now. It's not as cold as the Hamby's pool, Kelly. You can come in. Come on.